Difurang supia long ke doana sekolah long Thanbang Arni kata London. Difu pen Hauraghat LAC angkang KFA get together ramai kang niahut long hong asokeron. Hanjang lang soalong jang tuatra kadang kang bobajok rodatum jang tuk endun thurpak. Kardom Nilikar Birta Thanbang Sami Villerbon Krupi Nonarjuikta Birtang Ton Pen Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan Amahangke Thek Arni Pen Pachaton Dunsi Det Adang Pialong Chiti Niphai Po Arni Thanbang Arani Mate Teachers Day Alir Alon Pen Talon Pon
Lasonak taxi Dipurong Supiang Kangkedo Don Bosco School Christian English High School DAV Pendang Nokkedoan School Alongta Thanbang Arani Talon Dunsi Lo Charlie Somara Metang at Thanbang Atumapan amanaping kachipiang tek metang sekolah hemalong kilun ke kanpen aning karong chipi ponsi Thanbang Arani Talon Pon.
Chiti Niphai Po Arni Anerlo Porpai Kresia Pormalong Pen Dengong Sericulture Seeds Farmer Training Center Hemalong Difu Lapen Harakhat Eliang Kangalong Kedo Karbi Farmers Association Aro Arim Kedo An Lapen KFA Atiripia Mayangbong Get Together Amai Padopon
Mai ke padopon along KFA mai pu samsingan sipen kacharipon amailong mai ke palam the KFA konchun bang tingkuing tipensi than pachinipon bangso Get Together amailong Judet pen KFA arotina tumapan longhong ejon pajordon lapen ang parta adungaray kedo arada tumapan setami longhong so ijonjon ronpon mailong samsingan sepen mai pu ayin pen kepachini pon ateng ke Karbi traditional farming aputhak anso se kapaching turponje apat Ministry of Agriculture and Planning Commission alongan ground report palipuputa than pachini tekang an parta educated youth atum agriculture based rural industrial molapen Chephem pupon nangpo laso penajok income generation condition amo pachunpon unpo pusi ningjetikang camera person Stefan Teron lapen Ratis Rongpar Cat News Difu
Bokajan Police Station angkang Chiti Niphai Po Arni ada Porpai Nerkep Apor Malom Dikboy Pen Manipur Kedam Bom Jang Tukero Atrak Ihum MN01 AA0339 Kedam Bom Ahud AH1 Atawar Pi Hanjang Lang Solong Men Adang Kang Bob Dagajok Sang Hamlo
Lasoho jangtu kachibu radatum teklongsi tebok teraya radatum dijala jangtu ke endun thurjoklo penangarji ke ding radatum jangtu cho endun si hur chodudlo api Bokajan Police atum bertalong si ademalong anpali dun pen khangdun lo api adang larthu si police atum pachadam thulo seta halapu penanga jangtu abangke nahoklo
Non malom sopor phan dihina Farman Birta Moington pon iksina Langpi Dihanggi Rural Bank welcomes you to own your new Royal Enfield, built for all roads, built for no roads. Dealer Ishan Motors, Ward number 2 near CCI Limited, Bokazan Dimapur Road, NH39, Karbi Anglong, Assam. For service 7896169017. For sales 7896169021. Email ishanmotorska@gmail.com. Easy loan from Langpi Dihanggi Rural Bank. Banker to Hills people of Assam. Financer, Langpi Dihanggi Rural Bank offers two-wheeler loan, low EMI, finance up to 80%, longer repayment period. Contact your nearest branch for more details.
Blossom Beauty Clinic and Training Center. Facilities available: list of haircut, hair treatment, hair oiling, henna, straightening, hair perming, full body spa, coloring, waxing, manicure and pedicure, party makeup. List of facial: signature facial, signature galvanic facial, signature hour latest facial, gold, pearl, diamond facial, fruits facial, cleanup, normal facial, and bleach. Blossom Beauty Clinic and Training Center, KST Road near Atur Kimi Outlet, Difu, Karbi Anglong. Banalata Chaudhary Deka 9435539500. Opening shortly. A school for playgroup to class 4. Facilities: big and clean classroom, trained and friendly teachers, playway method, creative activities, audio-visual, aided teaching, drill, dance and origami. Child development and education, learning process with parents as partner. St. Anthony's English School, Lower Dilaji, Birla, Difu 782460, Karbi Anglong. Contact 9859609475, 70027709599, 99576075561. Email santanthonyschool@yahoo.com.
বৰ বেলেগ ধৰণৰ গোন্ধ আহি আছে যে জুটি লগা আসলতে ইয়াৰ আৰত কি আছে
ইয়াৰ আৰত আছে কাঞ্চ সৰিয়হৰ তেল স্বাস্থ্যসন্মত বিশুদ্ধ
আৰু সোৱাদযুক্ত
Aturkimi outlet opposite LDRB Difu Karbi Anglong Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
Assam Hills Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecuason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
আপুনি বাৰু বিশুদ্ধ খোৱা পানীৰ অভাৱ অনুভৱ কৰিছে নেকি এতিয়া আৰু চিন্তা নাই কাৰণ বজাৰলৈ আহিল কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰ বিজ্ঞানসন্মত উন্নত মানৰ প্ৰক্ৰিয়াৰে প্ৰস্তুত কৰা কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰে আপোনাক দূষিত পানীৰ ভয়াৱহতাৰ পৰা আঁতৰত ৰাখিব
কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰ
Dihinamo piputot birta longwang thulo Karbi Anglong North Kachar Hills Autonomous State Demand Committee Kanchas Dikom Asong Jatum Chiti Pli Arni Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Secretariat along Dampen Toklang IEM Jogot Singing Tiaphan Archodam
Kanchas Dikom Maipo Ajit Timung Lapen Ari Sanghotum Chiti ni Bhai Pli Arni Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Secretariat along Dampen Higher Secondary IEM Jogot Singing Tiaphan Archodam IEMing Tiaphan Karcho along Pacheton Dampen Pinangapur Autonomous State Article 244 ye puthakta chingwai chingsai pontu
Singhason constituency disobai along kipir ke thaka hem ki kimjia phan chiti ni phai pli arni adap Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council IEM Omor Singh diso adim along paledam
kipir ke thaka mo penta rong robalong chokama mo lapen dihin pangchui un disobaya rong kipir ke thaka hampang kapaching thur japan chiti ni phai pli arni Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Irrigation Water Resource Heihui IEM Omor Singh tiso lapen ari sanghotum kipir ke thak kikim jadim home redam kipir ke thak jadim along lake kelang damahot MEC Lunsing teron rani rong pipi lapen disobaya amekaratum chetong don
Birta kila pansi kang toniklo langi bom tha Kat News Channel dome thakmi kurang thu